Hi, my name is Robert and today, I'll tell you everything you need to know about Hendershot Power Generator before actually buying the program. I also have really important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about Hendershot Power Generator is, be careful with the website you're going to buy, because this product is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video. So what is Hendershot Power Generator and does it actually work? And the answer is yes, really works. The Hendershot generator operates on a principle that is both innovative and straightforward. At its core, the generator utilizes a system of electromagnetic induction, which allows it to convert kinetic energy into electrical energy. This process involves moving magnets within coils of wire, generating a flow of electricity. The design of the Hendershot generator optimizes this process, allowing it to harness energy from the environment, such as wind or motion, to produce power. This makes it a versatile option for various applications, from providing backup power in emergencies to being used in remote locations where conventional electricity may not be accessible. Additionally, the generator is equipped with advanced circuitry that enhances its efficiency and reliability. The internal components are designed to minimize energy loss during the conversion process, ensuring that users receive maximum output for their energy input. This advanced technology not only maximizes the generator's performance but also extends its lifespan, making it a worthwhile investment for those seeking a long-term power solution. With its efficient energy conversion capabilities and user-friendly design, the Hendershot generator stands out as a powerful tool for anyone in need of reliable electricity. Remember that buying on the official website below, you will have 60 days to use Hendershot Power Generator 100% safely, without risks. Thank you for watching this video to the end, and if you still have questions, the best place to understand more about is on the official page. Click the link below.